All right, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to edit an email in Outlook, whether it's a brand new message, something you saved as a draft, or something you need to fix before hitting send. And yeah, the steps are pretty simple. So let's jump in. First, open Outlook.com and log into your account. If you're starting a new message, click New Mail on the left side. Inside the editor, you can type and edit text just like you would in a normal document. Outlook gives you all the basic tools, bold, italics, underline, fonts, colors, right along the bottom toolbar. Now, if you want to edit a message you saved earlier, go to the left sidebar and open the Drafts folder. Click the draft you want, and it'll open in the same editor. From here, you can rewrite the subject, fix spelling mistakes, add new info, or adjust anything you want. Nothing is locked until you send. Format your text more neatly, click the A with a line icon to open the full formatting menu. You can change font size, add bullet points, adjust spacing, highlight text, or create numbered lists. You can also insert images, links,